Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel Daddy Beardo. Today, we are going to talk about Android 14, the latest version of Google's mobile operating system which was released on October 4, 2023, and it is now available for download on all Pixel devices and selected devices from other manufacturers. So let's take a look at the new features of Android 14 comparing to its previous version. Android 14 has larger font sizes. It allows users to scale font sizes up to 200%, which is a significant increase over the 130% limit in Android 13. This will be a welcome change for users with vision impairments or who simply prefer larger text. This version of Android has improved battery life. Google releases a statement about it that Android 14 includes a number of battery optimizations that should help devices last longer on a single charge. These optimizations include improved background app management and new power-saving modes. Android 14 gives users more control over their privacy. For example, users will be able to choose which apps have access to their location data and which apps can send them notifications. This new version includes a number of new camera features, such as support for lossless audio recording and support for 10-bit HDR video. These features will improve the quality of photos and videos taken with Android devices. Here are 5 of the cheapest smartphones which are likely to have Android 14 updates and also available in India. Realme C53, 10,999 rupees. iQOO-Z7 Pro, 14,999 rupees. Vivo V29e, 16,999 rupees. Motorola Edge 40, 17,999 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, 19,999 rupees. If you like this video about Android 14, do subscribe our channel and like this video to get more exciting news which is buzzing around you.